This article provides an in-depth look at the top academic writing websites for freelancers in 2025, highlighting their features, how they work, and tips for success. 1. Writer Bay Overview. Writer Bay is one of the most well-known academic writing platforms. Established over a decade ago, it connects freelance writers with clients, mostly students, looking for essays, research papers, case studies, and more. Pros: regular flow of orders, variety of disciplines, business, law, medicine, etc., transparent rating and penalty system. Cons: high competition among writers, strict quality control. Some users report delayed payment requirements. Bachelor's degree or higher English proficiency test. Sample essay submission website www.writerbay.com. 2. UVoCorp, Edison, Research Writing Center, Overview. UVoCorp is one of the oldest platforms in the business. It's known for having both high-volume and high-paying projects but can be a bit strict when it comes to rules and deadlines. Pros: large number of available orders, clear and reliable payment system, bonuses for timely delivery and client satisfaction. Cons: fines for late submissions, hard penalties for plagiarism. Requirements: bachelor's degree, proof required, grammar and writing tests. Sample writing task website www.uvocorp.com. 3. Academia Research Overview. Academia Research offers a decent mix of high-paying and entry-level assignments. It supports a wide variety of writing niches, from essays to business plans to technical reports. Pros: competitive pay rates, option to select preferred topics, good support team. Cons: limited orders during off-peak season, some disputes between clients and writers. Requirements: English grammar test, sample paper submission, ID verification. Website www.academiaresearch.com. 4. Essay Pro Overview. Essay Pro is a bidding platform, meaning that writers choose which projects to bid for. Writers with stronger profiles and ratings tend to get more work and better pay. Pros: flexibility to choose orders, direct client communication, can set your own price. Cons: lower rates for beginners, requires building reputation before earning big. Requirements: portfolio or sample work, profile creation, no upfront tests, but good writing skill required. Website www.essaypro.com. 5. Studypool Overview. Studypool is slightly different. It allows writers to answer homework questions and tutor students online. It's a hybrid of academic Q&A and tutoring. Pros: short and fast tasks, good for quick earners, flexible time commitment. Cons: lots of competition, smaller earnings unless you're very active. Requirements: university credentials, ID and email verification. Quality ratings from previous work. Website www.studypool.com. 6. Essay Shark Overview. Essay Shark uses a bidding model similar to Essay Pro. Writers can apply for available orders and communicate directly with clients. Pros: easy sign-up, choose orders based on your skill. Payment released quickly upon client approval. Cons: payment not fixed. Bidding system: you need high ratings to get premium work. Requirements: essay writing sample, optional grammar test. Website www.essayshark.com. 7. Edison Overview. Edison is a newer platform but gaining popularity quickly. It supports both academic and business writing. Pros: clean interface and tools, range of writing categories, growing customer base. Cons: still growing in job volume similar to Essay Pro. Bidding model. Requirements: good command of English, writing sample, optional video introduction. Website www.edison.com. 8. Livingston Research Overview. Livingston Research offers freelance writers consistent work, mostly in academic and technical fields. They pride themselves on helping students globally with research and tutoring. Pros: steady order flow, pay per page, predictable income, friendly writer support. Cons: fewer creative writing tasks, penalization for late submissions. Requirements: academic qualifications, proficiency test. Essay sample. Website www.livingstonresearch.com. 9. Homework Market, now part of Studypool. Overview. Previously independent, Homework Market has merged into the Studypool ecosystem. It works on a bidding Q&A system. Pros: easy to get started, question-based writing, quick tasks, ideal for part-time freelancers. Cons: not consistent for long papers, very competitive. Website www.studypool.com. 10. Bluecore Overview. Bluecore is a more selective writing platform. They mainly hire high-quality academic writers for complex papers and long-term projects. Pros: high pay rates for experts, long form and complex projects, stable client base. Cons: strict onboarding process, limited open slots for new writers. Requirements: high level academic credentials, editing experience preferred, must pass writing and grammar tests.